Hey watchers, Chef Tom here. It is June 13th, 2022. It is today's Watch Me vlog. Guys, it's been a heck of a school year. This is my first official day of summer break, and I've decided to do one thing: make content. I'm gonna do it all summer. So that's what I'm gonna do. I signed out on Friday about 9:30. I was done, and I'm done for 2 months. I'm gonna make a ton of videos this summer, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with it. So I'm actually getting ready to sit up here in the kitchen. Let me show you what I'm doing. Here, guys, you can see I just kind of cleaned up the kitchen, got it organized a little bit. Got a couple things I'm still working on. Getting ready to film. This is my filming setup right here. This is my Canon M50 Mark II. I've converted it into a cinema rig. I have my Sony lithium, or my lithium ion battery up here. I have 2 of these for this camera. This is my Canon M50. I've got the small rig cage and top handle. I've got a couple of Nitze side handles here. My lens of choice right now is a Rokinon 35mm DSX Cine lens, which is great. And I've got my monitor here, which is awesome. I have it connected to an extension arm. I can connect it here, or I can connect it up there, which is great, depending on what I'm doing. So I'm gonna switch this on. So when I switch this on, you can see it switches on right there, but as soon as I switch the monitor on, switches off right there, and it switches on right there, which is great. It's getting a good picture, and I currently have a polarizer filter on this lens, which is awesome. So when I twist this over, which I'm going to do right now, when I switch this over, instead of getting a really big glare, the lens actually allows that nice light to reflect in, and it doesn't give that big glare on the light, which I really like. So I can pan over here, switch that up. Switch this. Yes, I'm gonna control it. I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna choose to keep it in one place here. So it's a lot of fun. So this is where we're gonna film Watch Me Cook, Nora and Henny's Cupcake Adventure, and Watch Me Cook the class on Patreon. So for all of you who are watching this, I hope the summer season treats you well. I hope you guys all have a great summer, because I'm gonna have an amazing summer here. So that's my vlog for the day. I'm just gonna share about what I'm doing, and Chef Tom out. See ya.